At the beginning, the 667 standard solution was tested. Rinse the reagent bottle. Fill the solution again. Put it in the Hashi TL2300 and read it 3 times. The first value was 659 NTU. The second value was 663 NTU. The third value was 662 NTU. The standard solution is around 667 NTU. It meets the measurement standards. The average value of the 3 times was 661.33. Next, we started to test the test solution we prepared. Shake it well. Pour it into the blender. Measure the test solution 3 times, and then take the average value. Rinse it first. Fill the solution again. Read the value. The first reading was 256 NTU. Then take the second standard solution. Read the value. The second reading was 256 NTU. Take the 3 standard solutions. Start reading. The third reading result is 257 NTU. The average value of the 3 times is 256.33. This is Probest self-developed turbidity sensor PTU820. Let's test the 667 NTU standard solution first. The measured value from HAC8 just now was 661.3. The monitoring value of Probest PTU800 is 659.26 NTU. Clean the probe and test the solution to be tested. The value of HAC8 is 256.33. The value of Probest PTU820 is around 258.82. The difference of 2 NTU is within the error tolerance range. The experiment was successful.